You,
Hi, my name is Yurika, and I'm a student. And what's your name?
Tony,
Tony. Nice to meet you. And where are you from?
San Francisco.
San Francisco. Uh, what what's your job?
I'm retired.
I'm retired.
Ah, okay. What did you do?
I was a lawyer.
Lawyer. A lawyer. Wow.
You know?
Sorry. But what do you like about San Francisco?
What do I like?
Yes.
Oh, too many things. Climate.
Right?
Climate.
Yeah. What kind of fries do you like?
Climate. It's cool in the summer and warm in the winter.
Yeah. Me too.
Oh, food, of course. And also,
Food. And do you like good, I don't know. Do you know good restaurant? With
yes.
free,
What kind of food? What kind?
uh,
What kind of food
What kind
do you
of
like?
food do you like?
What kind of
Yeah.
food do you like?
me?
Yeah.
No.
I like many kinds. Like Chinese or Italian.
Italian. Oh, Chinese restaurant. Best restaurant. Yeah.
Best restaurant. ZNY.
And what?
ZNY.
Near.
In Chinatown.
Chinatown. Thank you.
Okay, we will go try.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank
And
you.
last grading.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting.
Thank
Same
you
here.
for the interview.
Thank you for the interview.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Good
Thank
luck.
you. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you very
Sure.
much.
Sure,
Thank you very
welcome.
much.
You're very welcome.
Have a good day.
どういたしまして。
ありがとうございます。
Have a